Lesson 5. Tiffany's Week. About this book. This book teaches children about the days of the week and different places. The book also teaches children how to use go in the third person singular present tense. The book has a voice recording to help your child correctly pronounce the words and read the sentences. Finally, the book helps children learn how to order the days of the week. Key vocabulary. Your child should be able to say and use the following words: goes, to, supermarket. On Monday, Tiffany goes to the supermarket. On Tuesday, Tiffany goes to the library. On Wednesday, Tiffany goes to a cafe. On Thursday, Tiffany goes to a museum. On Friday, Tiffany goes to the bank. On Saturday, Tiffany goes to the cinema with her friends, Redfox and Ariane. On Sunday, Tiffany goes to the park to play with Ariane.